we are working with that EMAG for past 15 years.
Wow,
Yeah,
15 years.
past 15 years we are using this EMAG machine. Yeah, we are very much of happy with using this EMAG. Yeah.
Great. Hello and welcome to MTDCNC. Today we are here at EMAG Tech Day at Bangalore, and I am here with Mr. Narasimhan and Mr. Loknath from Rane Group. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Hello, thank you.
So, can you please tell us about Rane Group?
Rane is a quite traditional company. It's a very old company. Like it has got a 75 years history. We are the market leader in the manufacturing of steering system, as well as steering gear, as well as steering linkage product, and also we are venturing into the all hydraulic steering gear business.
Awesome. So, would you like to add on that?
Yeah, we are the manufacturer of that hydraulic cylinder, and then for that heavy vehicle, commercial vehicles, for that we are manufacturing these steering linkages, steering all the things.
Great.
So, yeah.
I think Rane is one of the very big group in
Rane
automotive sector.
Rane is making. See, if you take care of in India, every four-wheeler has got a RML, Rane product.
Correct, correct.
So we are, we are a market leader in steering gear system.
Great.
We we manufacture steering gear, we manufacture steering gear linkage, and tie rod, drag rod, which pulls the tire. So it's a safety critical part. So we are one of the important player in the automotive business.
Awesome, sir. So, since we are here at EMAG Tech Day, and as we were talking earlier that you have been working with EMAG for so long, so why do you prefer EMAG solution, and how has been your association with them?
So first of all, I am informing that we are getting that compound with an accuracy.
Okay.
So first of all, accuracy, and then problem-free machine. If you maintain that the basic conditions of the machine, so we will not face any type of quality issues, and then downtime. We 100% we can eliminate that machines. So we can able to available for that machine for 100 percentage of availability we can ensure in that one.
Awesome.
So that is the main reason we are selecting for that EMAG machine. Yeah, we are very much of happy with that machine while using that, achieving this quality parameter, safety, and also this problem-free machine for that our purpose. So it is solving our expectations.
Great, sir.
Yeah.
So, how long has been your association with EMAG?
So we are working with that EMAG for past 15 years.
Wow, 15 years.
For past 15 years we are using this EMAG machine. Yeah, we are very much of happy with using this EMAG. Yeah.
Great. Would you like to add?
See, when we are selecting this EMAG, so prior to this, we were using some kind of frugal method of manufacturing through some SPM. So that was meant for some application. That it was a cost-effective solution. So when we prefer to buy a EMAG, we calculated the difference in cost in terms of quality. So when we calculated, we were in the impression that if I get an EMAG, it will be so expensive, it will hit back my bottom line.
Correct.
So when we had a calculation over the the past method and the EMAG method, it was almost 50% cheaper.
Wow.
So this in terms of cost as well as in the terms of quality, it is a phenomenal change. So earlier we used to do some troubleshooting in the earlier SPM for some profile error, some geometrical error. Always some engineer, dedicated engineer required to control the process. So this machine is a quite unique machine which is meant for like profile grinding applications or many other applications. In our case, profile grinding. So this I know once the machine is set, it is performing well. I know there is no the intermediate, the intervention is required of any of the engineers.
Fantastic.
So that is the beauty of this machine.
Great. So you are saying that from the cost-effective SPM you went to EMAG, and it's not only increased the quality but also reduced the cost.
Yes.
That's perfect.
Yes.
Great, sir. Thank you for your time here, and I wish you enjoy this technology day and learn a lot about EMAG technology. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for inviting.